So hello friends, in the last lecture we had discussed the form of this logical expressions, right? So it can be either SOP, sum of product form, or product of sum form, right? One thing here we need to understand that a given SOP equation can be present in the standard form or it can be in the non-standard form. So here in this lecture we are going to understand what do we mean by standard or canonical SOP or POS form, and then what is non-standard or non-canonical this SOP or POS form, right? So I'll just read and let's understand this. So a logical expression, now you can have any given logical expression, is said to be in the standard form, SOP or POS, if each of the term, now just consider this equation. So we have y equal to ABC plus a b bar c bar plus a bar bc, right? So each product term in the SOP, now this is SOP form, right? SOP, and we are looking for standard or non-standard form, but basically it is SOP form, right? And the sum term in the POS, now consider each term here. So as I said, this is one term, this is another, this is another. So 1 2 3. Now this equation has three terms. ABC is one term, A B bar C bar is another term, and A bar BC is another term. So if each term consists of all the literals in their complemented or uncomplemented form. Now if you see this equation, if you just see this equation, then we have A, B and C as input or literals. Now for an equation टू बी इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म, किसी भी इक्वेशन को स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में होने के लिए उसके हर एक टर्म में ये तीनों में से तीनों वेरिएबल्स कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड या अनकॉम्प्लीमेंटेड फॉर्म में होने चाहिए. देन ओनली वी कैन से दैट गिवन टर्म इज और गिवन इक्वेशन is in the SOP or POS form. Okay, so let us see. Now we have this ABC. तो यहाँ पे ABC तीनों है, यहाँ पे ABC तीनों है. अब देखो कॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर्म में रहेंगे या अनकॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर्म में, किसी भी फॉर्म में रहने दो, लेकिन तीनों के तीनों वेरिएबल्स वो एक टर्म में चाहिए. एंड देन वी हैव हियर A bar BC. So this equation is standard SOP form, right? Consider this equation. Now here the literals are A, B, C. Now here we have A, B, C. Here we have A, B, C. C is in complemented form and A is in complemented form. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे देखो. Now see here we have only AB. So here C is missing, right? So this equation is in non-standard form, right? Now see this equation. This is POS. Okay, so here we have, now this is one term. Here 1 2 3, we have three terms of this equation. So we have A, B and C here, right? Here we have A, B bar plus C, and here we have A bar plus B bar plus C bar. So all the literals are present here in either complemented or uncomplemented form. So this equation is also standard POS form equation. Right, now consider this equation. Here we have two terms, term 1 and second term. Here if you see, we have three literals A, B, C. So this term has all the literals, but this term here again C is missing. So this equation is non-standard POS form. Right? We can have another example here. Now in both cases C was missing. Now we can have A, B, C plus AB plus A, B bar C. So here you can see this has three literals, this has three literals here. Oh, now here B is missing. We can have this equation also, y equal to A plus AB plus ABC, this also. Now here if you see three literals are there, A, B, C. Here this is okay, but here B and C is missing, and here again C is missing. Okay, we can have another equation for POS, y equal to A plus C, A plus B plus C. Now here you can see three literals, here two literals missing, here one literal missing. Okay, so this is how what the standard and non-standard SOP and POS forms are. Right? So we can once again read this so we can understand that. A logical expression is said to be in the standard or canonical SOP or POS form when if each product term of SOP and some term of POS consist of all the literals in their complemented or uncomplemented form. Okay, so this is what this standard SOP and POS. Now, why are we considering this standard SOP and POS? Now, our next point is conversion. Conversion from non-standard to standard. So we can have SOP or POS, non-standard SOP or non-standard POS to standard SOP and standard POS form. So that is what the next point we are going to discuss. Okay.